Before we dive into the step-by-step process, it's crucial to understand a few key things about LegalZoom's cancellation and refund policies. This isn't just about clicking a button. It's about making an informed decision. For most subscriptions, LegalZoom generally has a 30-day refund policy from the initial purchase date. If you're within that window, you might be eligible for a full refund. However, if documents have already been filed with a government agency, or if you've already had an attorney consultation as part of a legal plan, then the refund terms can change significantly. For instance, with registered agent services, they often require you to first appoint a new registered agent with the state before they'll process your cancellation and refund. This is because every state mandates that businesses have a registered agent on file. So, keep these details in mind as we go through the process, as they can impact your specific situation. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to cancel LegalZoom online. We'll break this down by the most common services. First up, let's talk about canceling recurring subscriptions like the Forms and e-sign plan or the legal plan. This is often the easiest to manage directly through your online account. Step 1. Log in to your LegalZoom account. Go to legalzoom.com and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's a convenient Forgot Password link to help you reset it. Step 2. Navigate to your subscriptions or account section. Once logged in, look for a link that says My Account, Subscriptions, or Manage Payments. These links are typically found in the top right corner of the page, often under your profile icon or a drop-down menu. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it will generally lead you to a centralized area where your active services are listed. Step 3. Locate the subscription you wish to cancel. In your account dashboard, you should see a list of your active subscriptions. Find the specific plan you want to discontinue, such as Forms and e-sign subscription, or your legal plan. Step 4. Click on the More icon or Cancel Subscription option. Next to the subscription, you'll usually find a More icon, often represented by 3 dots, midline horizontal ellipsis, or a direct Cancel Subscription link. Click on this. Step 5. Follow the prompts to confirm cancellation. LegalZoom will likely present you with a confirmation window, asking if you're sure you want to cancel. They might also offer alternatives or ask for feedback. Read through the prompts carefully and click Continue to Cancel or a similar button to finalize the cancellation. Your subscription should then be marked as canceled, though it might remain active until the end of your current billing period. What if you're trying to cancel a registered agent service? This one has an extra crucial step. As mentioned earlier, states require you to have a registered agent. Step 1. Appoint a new registered agent with your state. Before you even think about canceling with LegalZoom, you must file a change of registered agent with the state where your business is registered. This usually involves submitting specific paperwork to your Secretary of State or equivalent government agency. You can appoint yourself as the registered agent if you meet the state's requirements, or you can choose another third-party service. This step is non-negotiable. Step 2. Obtain proof of the change. Once you've successfully filed the change with the state, get a copy of the filed document, an annual report that lists your new registered agent, or a screenshot from the state's website showing the update. This proof is essential for LegalZoom. Step 3. Log in to your LegalZoom account. Similar to canceling other subscriptions, access your LegalZoom account. Step 4. Navigate to My Account and Manage Payments. Find your registered agent services subscription within this section. Step 5. Upload proof and initiate cancellation. There should be an option to upload the proof of your registered agent change. Once uploaded, you can then click the Cancel link associated with your registered agent services. Step 6. Confirm cancellation. As with other subscriptions, you'll likely go through a confirmation process to finalize the cancellation. Now, what if you're looking to cancel a one-time order, or if the online cancellation method isn't working for your specific situation? This is where a direct line to LegalZoom's customer service becomes your best friend. LegalZoom has multiple contact options. Their phone support is often the most effective for immediate resolution and for handling more complex cancellation scenarios, especially if you're seeking a refund or if there are specific nuances to your order. You can reach their customer care center at 800-773-0888. Their hours of operation are generally Monday to Friday, 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Time, and weekends from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Time. It's always a good idea to check their official website for the most up-to-date contact information and hours. When you call, be prepared with your account details, order numbers, and a clear explanation of what you want to cancel. Be polite but firm. Sometimes they might try to retain you as a customer by offering discounts or alternative services, but if your mind is made up, simply reiterate your request to cancel. Another option for contacting them is via email. You can send an email to customercare@legalzoom.com. While email can be convenient, it generally takes longer to process your request compared to a phone call. If you choose this method, be sure to include all relevant details, such as your account information, the specific service you wish to cancel, and any order numbers. Clearly state your cancellation request in the subject line and body of the email. Finally, for certain issues, LegalZoom also offers a chat option on their website. This can be a good middle ground if you prefer not to call but need a quicker response than email. Look for a Chat with Us button on their contact or support pages. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.